14, which of the following correctly describes the formation of a sulfide ion? So if you look at the last three letters, right, IDE, this one represents the ion of the element. So sulfide is the ion of sulfur. And if you look at the periodic table, sulfur is in group 6, which means that it has 6 valence electrons. Okay, take note, the group number tells you the number of valence electrons. So in order to achieve a completely filled valence shell, okay, which is 8 valence electrons in this case, sulfur will need to gain 2 electrons, okay, to form S2- ion. So that's why answer for question 14 would be option